Dravid. আমি বলি যখন first time when Yuvraj Singh came into the national side in 2001 in Kenya, he was a young 17-18-year-old boy like most of you. Probably was 18-year-old who was trying to make a mark in international cricket. ও এক ধরনের মানুষ ছিল। Yuvraj Singh was flamboyant. তখন এত ডিজিটাল মিডিয়া ছিল না, তখন এত মোবাইল ছিল না, এত হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ ছিল না, এত ফেসবুক ছিল না। Yuvraj Singh was a flamboyant young boy. So he wanted to go out, he wanted to party, he wanted to lead a life, because you don't expect an 18-year, 19-year-old boy to sit at home and read books. So he had a life. So the first thing when I landed in Nairobi as captain, I called up the security person of the hotel. And Nairobi te AK-47 all a black cat security. Instead of going to my manager, I first called up the security guy and said, "Can I meet you for a minute?" 6 feet 5 inches lomba African security amar kache eshe bollo, "Yes, can I help you?" I told him, "Yes, we are a team. I am the captain of India. We have come to play the Champions Trophy here. I need you to keep an eye on this fellow, young Yuvraj Singh." To amake dadiye bollo, "I'm supposed to keep an eye on everyone." I told him, "Yeah, I know you're supposed to keep an eye on everyone, but you need to keep a closer eye on young Yuvraj Singh." He said, "Why?" I said, "Because he loves life. He wants to go out, he will go out of the hotel, he'll party, he'll go to the bar, he'll drink. I need him back at the hotel at 9:30, and more so, I need to know where he is." ও আমাকে বলল, "ঠিক আছে, as you say, I will do it." But I said, "Only you and me should know, nobody else," because he was a young boy and he was trying to make a mark in international cricket. We had a manager. Managers and teachers are always strict. No, every time you make a mistake, you get a scolding. So I did not want the manager to know that Yuvraj Singh would go out in the night. So I called Yuvraj Singh and said that this is your first trip. We want you to play well. You need to be disciplined. He said, "Fine, captain, I'll be disciplined." Invariably, the day before the first game, he disappeared from his room. So around 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening, after a team meeting, I went past Yuvraj Singh's room and knocked. There was nobody. I came back in 15 minutes and knocked again. There was nobody. I picked up the phone and tried calling him. He wasn't there. Invariably, I got hold of the security person and said, "My youngest team member is not in the room. Can you tell me which are the biggest nightclubs in this city?" He said, "Why?" I said, "No, I know where he will be, but you need to let me know, and only I need to know." So he told me names of a few nightclubs. I said, "Can you and me go there?" He said, "No, you have to take the police with you, the patrol with you." I said, No, I don't need anything, because this will go out." So both of us went, and invariably I found Yuvraj Singh in a nightclub having dinner. So it was 9 o'clock in the evening. So I went and sat next to him, and I said, "You finish your dinner and we will go back to the hotel." So I picked him up and went back to the hotel around 9:30 and put him in his room. I was so scared that I called him back again at 10:30 to see whether he was in his room or not. So he was in his room at 10:30. Now why I say this story to you is because I had Yuvraj Singh on one hand, who I had to deal with, and on the other hand I had somebody like Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid was one of the most meticulous human beings you can ever meet. মানে রাহুল দ্রাবিড়কে যদি রাত্রিরে জিজ্ঞেস করা হতো যে রাহুল কাল সকালে টেস্ট ম্যাচ শুরু, what time will you be at the breakfast table? He will say 7:30 I'll be at the breakfast table, I'll have a juice, I'll have some fruits, I'll have an omelette, and on the way when I get to the bus I'll pick an apple. And he will invariably do that. তুমি যদি ওকে দূর থেকে ফলো করো, একটা জিনিসও মিস হবে না। So the reason I say this story to all of you is because when you lead a system, there will be both kinds of people. Now there are leaders, there are coaches who will say either you be my way or you take the highway. তাই কথাটার মানে হচ্ছে যে তোমাকে আমার কথা মতো চলতে হবে, নালে তুমি এই সিস্টেমে থাকবে না, which is very common in this modern world. But the biggest challenge for a leader was to identify that both these players, একবার Yuvraj Singh এর ক্ষেত্রে Yuvraj Singh আর Rahul Dravid এর ক্ষেত্রে Rahul Dravid, both these players were important to Indian cricket. আমাকে টিমটা জিততে হলে, আমাকে খেলা জিততে হলে, I had to get the best of both these players on the field. So when you face this sort of situation, যখন তোমাদের প্রফেশনাল লাইফে এই জিনিসগুলো আসবে, এই সিচুয়েশন আসবে, Instead of asking them to leave, the only way you will succeed is by embracing both. দুজনের স্বভাব, দুজনের চরিত্রকে তোমাকে বুঝতে হবে আর দুজনকে তোমার কাজের ক্ষেত্রে ইউটিলাইজ করতে হবে। আমরা তারপর দিন অস্ট্রেলিয়ার সাথে খেলি and the person who won the match for me was Yuvraj Singh. আমি জানি না তোমাদের এই ম্যাচটা মনে আছে কিনা। he got 80 odd runs, a couple of wickets, run outs আর ইন্ডিয়া অস্ট্রেলিয়াকে হারায় চ্যাম্পিয়ন্স ট্রফি কোয়ার্টার ফাইনালে। সেই জন্য the biggest quality of a leader is man management, is managing the individuals who you work with, because every individual will be different, every individual will have his own way of succeeding, and if you want to be a successful person, if you want to be a person who will go a long way forward in a professional career, the biggest thing is to balance characteristics of every individual and getting them to utilize the best of your ability for you to succeed.